while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite.
Separate the eggs white from egg. Apply the egg white on your face. Take some tissue paper, then put tissue paper on your face. Again apply egg white. Again put tissue paper on your face. Dry it up until it's hard dry. Pull it up slowly and gently.
Completely alone. Your lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat, and I can't wait.
Wash your face and clean it up. Then use any cream or body lotion. I prefer using Johnson's baby lotion because it keeps our skin perfectly baby soft. Now I get clean and clear face. My face is free from whiteheads, besides getting a beautiful face without facial hair. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you like these 2 remedies, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video to support my channel.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.